हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा
तौबा
तौबा
तौबा
तौबा हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
And 5, 6, 7. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
वे मैं ता चलिया तेरी ओर तेरा चलिया है जोर तेरी होई मैं यार वे भूले आए संसार वे।
कहता कुछ नहीं ना बोली तुम भी ज्यादा नहीं, बातें शुरू हुई अब छोड़े उनको आधा नहीं, खामोशियों से छू लो मुझको मैं भी छू लूं तुझको, देख देख तारे आज सोने का इरादा नहीं, बताए राज जो रात आसमान को।
मुझे गाना सुनना अच्छा
तू
लगता है।
कल अपने इंस्टा पे तू जिम के अंदर गा रहा था हाँ, और वो तेरा बंदा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था। अब यहाँ पे तू चश्मा पहन, एक तो पहले तूने बोला कि जिसने भी काला चश्मा पहना है वो सब पार्टी करके हैं, यहाँ पे सब उतार रहे हैं 1 by 1। तूने तो शाहरुख सर का नाम ले लिया और तेरे पंजाबी गाने के भी नाम जाने नहीं वाले हैं यहाँ से। You have owned it।
हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके इश्क वालों ने, बहुत ही तंग किया अब तक इन ख्यालों ने।
So I is no longer just for Aifa. I is for each one of us, and I can make a difference. May I also invite on stage the one and only Ramesh Sippy, director of the one and only Sholay, and one of the founding members of the advisory board of Aifa in 2000. May I request Siddhant Chaturvedi and Abhishek Banerjee to come up here. They're the new rising superstars who are going to be making films anywhere, everywhere, and soon maybe producers, who knows, with Stree and everything that follows.
Still in Goa.
And may I invite the founders of Kuberan Film City, Mr. Shagun Wagh and Jeet Wagh, to join us up on stage. May we have the clapper board, please?
Give it up for the formidable forces on stage, ladies and gentlemen. A photo opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. What a big day. So many announcements back to back.
Leslie, can we have the clapper board?
Right after this, IFA rocks and IFA performers coming up on stage, and then all the industries together.
Kuberan Film City coming up in Goa. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, friends.
Thank you so much, Sabas. Thank you, Sabas, for doing this from your heart always. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And we're so proud of you. And now at IFA. It's a magical year, right?
It is, it is. Hello, everyone. It's my second time with IFA. My first ever stage performance was with IFA. And here I am performing again. And I'm so excited about everything, starting with Utsavam and the green carpet. It's always so impact-driven. And this year, the fact that it's about women empowerment and everything that Shobha is doing, I think it's extra special. So I'm really excited to see my favorite people, everyone here on stage. I got to dance with Shahid last year, but this year I'll be clapping for him, and Rekha ma'am, and Shahrukh sir, and Kriti, and Vicky, and Sid, and Abhishek. It's going to be amazing. I'm just here as a fan and as an audience, and guys, you're going to have the best time ever. I know I am. So yeah, I'm really excited.
And I'm sure we're going to have the best time ever with Siddhant also being one of the hosts. Siddhant, this is going to be a smasher, I'm sure.
यार मैं सुन रहा था कि किसी का 3rd टाइम है, किसी का 4th टाइम है। यार मैं वर्जिन हूँ, आईफा वर्जिन हूँ यार। मेरा first time when I realized कि you know it's such an honor to be on the same stage with Shahid, with Vicky, with Abhishek, with Kriti, with Ananya, and all of you guys. I've been a huge fan, and it's such an honor that thanks to IFA that this is happening. This is actually happening. We are all coming together on one stage as an Indian cinema, representing. So I'm very, very excited, and well, I have a very good co-host with me. तो मैं तो बहुत मजे करने वाला हूँ. आप भी करने वाले हैं? हैं? थोड़ा जोर से यार, जोश दिखाओ. How's the जोश? बिल्कुल. So I'm gonna have a great time, and I'm looking forward to all the performances and, well, Rana sir, party, after party.
All right, the party continues right here. Like they say, you save the best for last, because I've been giving a lot of requests saying that you must get her to sing a few lines on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the mesmerizing voice and performer, Shubha Rao on stage, please. You're going to be seeing her at IFA Rocks. Louder. She's going to be sizzling the stage. And how? Taliyon ki goonj, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on stage. You also have a big performance coming up. And first of all, I'd like you to speak about your performance. And of course, after that, we'd love you to sing a few lines as well, please.
I think what art and music do is bring people together. And India is so diverse, which is my favorite thing about my beautiful country. And we speak different languages, we eat different food, we wear different clothes, but then when it comes to art and music, we end up singing a song जिसके lyrics हमको शायद पता ही नहीं है और समझ में नहीं आते, but that's what music and art do, and the films do, that we end up singing and representing each other, and IFA is doing that this time, so more power to everyone in this room to do that.
And of course, how many of us want to see a live performance right here? So over to you.
तालियां बजाओगे? Is it no लय में ताल में ऐसे 1 2 3 4 come on. हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके इश्क वालों ने, बहुत ही तंग किया अब तक इन ख्यालों ने, नशा चढ़ा जो शरीफी का, रियाज लगेगा, बेशरम रंग कहाँ देखा दुनिया वालों ने, हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके इश्क वालों ने. Thank you so much.
Wow, so you got a sneak peek what's happening at IFA Rocks?
मैम अगर आप लास्ट लाइन, हाँ नहीं वैसा आप कर सकती हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैम अगर लास्ट लाइन अगर आप वो गाएंगी
For sure.
तो वहाँ से मैं रैप उठा लूंगा कुछ रोमांटिक टाइप.
रैप उठा लो. Okay.
मैं रैप उठा लूंगा.
Okay, रैप उठा लो.
आप आवाज
Okay, here we go. वे महता चलेया तेरी ओर तेरा चलेया है जोर तेरी होई मैं यार वे बुले आए संसार वे.
कहता कुछ नहीं ना बोली तुम भी ज्यादा नहीं, बातें शुरू हुई अब छोड़े उनको आधा नहीं, खामोशियों से छू लो मुझको मैं भी छू लूं तुझको देख देख तारे आज सोने का इरादा नहीं, बताए राज जो रात आसमान को बता दूं तुझको वो भी आज सारे रात को, बैठो पास मेरे हाथों में हाथ दो, बताओ तुम भी जो किसी से कभी कहा ना हो, शहरों के शोर से और तेरी बातें लोरी सी, गाड़ियों की दौड़ से निकल पड़ी थी जिंदगी जो तुम आई ठहर गया, टूटा तारा था मैं बिखर गया निकल गया मैं ढूंढने फलक वहीं फर्क नहीं, लोगों से चांद तारे तोड़ लें अब किसी का डर नहीं, उंगली रख दे जहां तू चले वहीं बना दूं आजा तेरे नाम अंतरिक्ष पे एक सड़क नहीं.
You know, I just slightly put it at Vicky कि यार एक पंजाबी गाना हो जाए यार. Vicky, demand यार.
Sid, there's a difference between गाना सुनना और गाना गाना. मुझे गाना सुनना अच्छा
तू
लगता है।
कल अपने इंस्टा पे तू जिम के अंदर गा रहा था हाँ, और वो तेरा बंदा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था। अब यहाँ पे तू चश्मा पहन, एक तो पहले तूने बोला कि जिसने भी काला चश्मा पहना है वो सब पार्टी करके हैं, यहाँ पे सब उतार रहे हैं 1 by 1। तूने तो शाहरुख सर का नाम ले लिया और तेरे पंजाबी गाने के भी नाम जाने नहीं वाले हैं यहाँ से। You have owned it.
Vicky, we are obsessed.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा तुझे। अरे पंजाबी गाना तो तू ऐसे बिहेव करे, you're behaving like a virgin of Punjabi songs, you're not.
But actually,
He is
मैंने
the
इसको
virgin
गाते
we've
हुए नहीं
established.
सुना है, हाँ?
Okay. हाँ, I've been. Thanks, Shahid. Okay, I'll. Since the time I've come to Abu Dhabi, I feel like my name's changed from Vicky Kaushal to. So we'll just attempt that where we'll sing it together. What do you say? Yeah? Husn tera. Yeah, start from the start. This is the start. It just goes tana tana tan. Husn tera tauba 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 tauba. Husn tera tauba 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 tauba. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा। इतना ही आता है, बाकी करण औजला सर भी आ रहे हैं, उनसे सुन लीजिएगा। By the way, for Rana sir, I just wanted to say something. Sorry. You know, with Rana sir, we bumped for the first time into each other in the gym in Mumbai. And I just walked in early in the morning and he was there working out. And all of a sudden I saw him and I was like, Rana sir, because I don't know, for some reason, I just always see him fighting a bull. And I believe that, you know. And he always keeps saying, hey, what is this, sir? Yeah, what is this, sir? I'm like, yaar, main kya karun? I can only say, sir. But what I've witnessed today, your energy and your vibe, for the first time, I'm being able to call you Rana as a friend. So, and I'm sure you're gonna befriend everybody in UAE with your lovely energy. Rana.
सब यहाँ देख लोगे तो
आप
कल
आइए,
क्या देखोगे?
जो आप इतना तौबा बोल रहे हैं, अब आइए आप विनर है कॉन्टेस्ट के, आइए आप।
अब वो बोल रहे हैं तौबा तौबा।
आइए ना सर, आइए सर, आइए, अरे सर आइए ना आप। विकी आपके लिए तो वेट कर रहा था, अब करेगा वो पूरा स्टेप करेगा। गाइस कम ऑन यार, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज यार। आइए सर। विकी ओवर टू यू।
Thanks, Shahid. Come, sir. What's your name, sir?
राजीव।
राजीव जी, आप क्या करते हैं? आप इंजीनियर हो? मैं भी होते होते रह गया, फिर एक्टर बन गया मैं। Should we do Tauba Tauba together? Sir, even I never danced before this. And I got the best compliment today from Shahid saying,
I will try because
okay, can I teach you how to do the Tauba Tauba step? उनको आता है? Okay, it's very simple. Rajiv ji, idhar aaiye. Two engineers together. We'll dance on Tauba Tauba. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. करे? अरे करना है अभी. Thank you क्या? अब मैं सीख गया हूँ, अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. Okay, let's try. 1, 2. हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा तौबा.
विकी ये पंजाबी भांगड़ा ज्यादा लग रहा है। It is.
मेरा जो first rehearsal with Bosco looked exactly like this.
Vicky, I'm going to proxy Mr. the engineer here. Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm Akul. I'm going to be hosting South Utsavam. Okay, Vicky, can we?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. हुस्न तेरा तौबा. No wonder he came on stage with more confidence than me on this step.
Vicky, I want to do this with you. Yeah. I also request my dear co-host Raghavendra Vijay. He's a huge fan of the step and he's been dancing this for every reality show of ours.
He just gave an expression like,
अच्छा ये स्टेप वेप तो गाना नहीं बज सकता क्या गाइस? गाना तो बजा दो, स्टेप तो सब करें.
गाना मुझे
अरे मतलब मैं कहीं भी मैंने गलती कर दी माइक लेके.
Guys, give it up for Vicky. He's going to perform for us today. Okay.
So we all sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
बस इसके बाद
I also know when she goes like stop.
वाह.
Oh, now the song is playing after embarrassing.
नहीं दूंगा. अपना ले लो ना यार. अच्छा ठीक है.
शाहिद साड़ी के फॉल्सा must be done, sir. I just want to give you a trivia. Before Tauba Tauba happened, before like any of my films happened, when my college friends got married, for 3 years straight on Sangeets, I was performing on only one song. So,
हम विकी को लाए हैं, वो सबका परफॉर्मेंस करेगा. ये तू साथ में कर मेरे. नहीं मैं तेरा वाला स्टेप करता हूँ. चल मुझे वो आता नहीं लेकिन बस तू सिखा दे. क्विक वाला ये 1, 2, 3. Anything you say. क्या करना है? Somebody has to sing, but are you all going to sing? I can't hear you guys. Yeah, आप तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आप यहीं बस जाइए.
We have Abhishek Banerjee singing.
No, you are singing here.
You don't leave from here, brother. This is where the party is. Rana, leave your phone, Rana. Come, we do Sarika Fall. Brother, come. Everybody, put your hands together, everybody. Oh, aa jao. Come on, boys, come on. Come on, boys, come on. Leave your coffee, boys, come on. Yes.
हमने इतना बुरा गाया कि उन्होंने गाना लगा दिया.
This is a Utsavam. Come on, okay.
Put the song now.
All the boys.
They put the song now.
The music's playing. Okay, great. Rana, come. Come, Kriti. Why don't you all come? Regina, please join us. Please, come. Rashi, come. Don't hide. Come. We'll all do this. Come on. Which one? Brother. Arey, Kumblingi nice brother, Ajao. Come, please come. You also come now. Please come. Please come, please. Come. Bas, yeah, no, we're going home after this press conference. This was the performance. Yeah, Andre, come, Andre. No, Andre, come, Andre. Andre, come, brother. This is the spirit of Haifa, brother. Otherwise, I open your clothes, brother. You come with me up. Come on, Andre. Yes, Andre, come. Sir, you'll join us? Sir, just join us, sir. It's just for the spirit. Please, sir. Everybody, guys, put your hands together. You have all the performers on stage. All right. Okay. Vicky, I need you. No, sir. Sir, you come in center, sir. Sir, tonight is Utsavam night, sir. You are center, sir. Where is Rana, sir? Yes, Rana, sir. Please, sir. Everybody, sir. It's very simple step, sir. What? Okay, one more time. Sir, yes, sir. You also come, sir. Okay. Yeah, just play the sound loud. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you, everybody. Rana! Rana!
Come on, Rana.
No, don't stop, Rana. Come on. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.